Hi children, welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to study the third part of Microsoft Access. We already understood what is MS Access, how to create a table or how to design a table and how can you enter data in that table. And today we are going to study what is primary key and what is the use of the primary key. And how can we set primary key in your table so that we can ensure the security of your data. Let us watch a video and understand more on primary key.
The design view provides the most detailed options for table construction. To create a table in Design View, go to the Create tab and click on the Table Design button. In the Field Name column, enter SKU and select its data type as text. Next, enter Products and select its data type as text. In this manner, insert the fields you want in the table and their respective data types. After entering the relevant fields, enter their respective description right next to them. If you want to rearrange the fields, simply drag and drop them to adjust their position. In the video, we dragged the Cost field and dropped it right above the Price field. After making the changes, save the table as Products and close it. Now we will teach you how to assign a primary key. Primary key is the unique identifier of a specific table, and it can be any field that is unique to that table only. To assign the primary key, open the Customer table in Design View. Click on the ID field once, and then click on the Primary Key button in the ribbon area. As soon as you make it the primary key of the table, a small key will appear next to the specific field. In this manner, we can assign any field that is unique to the table as the primary key. Close and save the changes for future reference.
I hope you all understood from the video what is primary key and how to set a primary key. Now we can just move through the PowerPoint presentation and understand more on the primary key. Lesson 5, Part 3 is primary key. What is primary key? You can see a key symbol there. This is the icon for primary key in MS Access. Primary key is the unique identifier for each record in a table. Access will not allow duplicate entries in a primary key field. By default, Access is setting primary key in the first field. Example also given. If primary key you are setting in the social security number. Okay, this is something unique about you, and you should not it should not be duplicated. So in such a field you can set a primary key. Or in any field you can set primary key. There is example given. Primary key is by default it is setting in the first field, and the key symbol you can see in the left side of the field name. You can see the picture. Then how can you enter data in a table? You already understood this. Once you have entered the fields, means you designed the table and set the data types, you can enter records in a table. To enter data in a table, you have to click on the data sheet view. Then you have to type the data and press enter key. When you have completed each record, you have to press enter again. When inputting data into a table, Access automatically saves the data after each new record. To set primary key, what you have to do? Switch to Design View. Then position your cursor in the field you wish to set as primary key. Click the primary key button on the ribbon. To switch back to the datasheet view, to enter your records, you can click on view button and you can view the same data. You can see the picture, image, primary key. You have to click on the primary key, then it will be there in your field. To set the primary key for the table, select the field name, then field name, then you have to select primary key. You have to select the field name and then select primary key. The primary key indicator appears to the left side of the field name. You can change the primary key at any time, but each table can have only one primary key. That is the point, important point. You can change the primary key anytime, but a table can have only one primary key. Now, in our lesson, this much points are explaining. You already understood what is MS Access, how to create a table, how to design a table, how to enter data in the table, and also you understood what is primary key and how can you set a primary key. And all these points you have to study well, and also we will discuss more in the live class, and the workbook exercises also we will discuss in the live class. The workbook activities also are given in this file that I will send you through Teams, Microsoft Teams, and you have to read the lesson. Also, you have to complete the notes I given in each period. Dear children, we can discuss more in the live class, and also we can see how to make queries and how can you design queries. These points also we can discuss in the live class. All of you read the lesson, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.